Vague. Not clearly expressed or described.
Mr. Fish, did you die?
Sorry, I was a little vague on the details.
So where are you going?
Quick.
Verb, it looks like we're gonna hit that building that looks vaguely like your head.
Time to give it a little...
Elevate. To raise something or lift something up.
Forget it. How are you? I'm Hank Scorpio.
Wow, my boss.
Don't call me that word. I don't like things that elevate me above the other people. I'm just like you. Oh, sure, I come...
Pressing yourself, Peter. High five! All right!
This man seems bent on diluting the already watered-down significance of the elevated hand slap.
Hey, Stewie, high five.
Well, it's...
Lottery. A system of selling numbered tickets and giving prizes.
My night plan...
You won the lottery.
Oh, then I better go quit my job.
Where is it?
Meth? Who gives a shit about meth? We won the lottery here. We've got all the money in the world. You're talking...
Finance. 1. A supply of money. 2. To provide the money needed for something to happen.
Carl Van Loon wants to meet you.
Apparently so.
You're not in the finance game. What can you do for Carl Van Loon?
He owes me something like $42,000. He said he's putting it into an account for me. Is that true?
Oh, we don't discuss finances. I just make the dinner.
Oh, no.
Obtain. To get something that you want.
I sacrificed everything. Everything I'd worked so hard for. Just to obtain this power that we could share together.
Any attack made by the rebels against this station would be a useless gesture, no matter what technical data they've obtained. This station is now the ultimate power in the universe.
That is fantastic.
Cinema. The skill or industry of making films.
Sir, apparently you don't understand what Mel Gibson was trying to do. He was trying to express, through cinema, the horror and filthiness of the common Jew. It has made people the world over open their eyes. Look, kid...
They put them in cinemas all over the world for millions of people to watch them.
Event. Anything that happens, especially something important or unusual.
You're not real.
No. I'm a projection of your subconscious. I was sent here to protect you in the event that extractors tried to pull you into a dream. And
We're down to 2 remaining teams. Roar Omega Roar and Uzma Kappa.
Which leads us to the final event. Every one of your...
Discard. To throw something away or get rid of it.
Look at this place. Broken glass, rusty nails.
Breathe.
Discarded salt packets.
A few, yeah.
It's like a
Not impressed by your new brothers? Lovely thing about the watch. You discard your old family and get a whole new one.
Soar. To rise very quickly to a high level.
Somebody once told me, you're as big as you feel. Just spread your wings and soar.
Your government has realized that putting you inside this dome was a terrible mistake. Therefore, we're commencing with Operation Soaring Eagle. Yeah! Which...
Subsequent. Happening after something else.
The common cold died out 500 years ago, and subsequently humanity lost all resistance to its ravages. But the virus survived in you, frozen.
Condition is not the issue here. You need to focus on preventing any subsequent attacks. Everything else is irrelevant.
A news report saying that I'm...
Relate. To find or show the connection between two or more things.
No!
Somebody help! I've been kidnapped by a monster trying to relate to me!
Artie, wait.
How are the mazes coming along?
Each level relates to the part of the subject's subconscious that we are trying to access. So, making...
Stationary. Not moving, or not changing.
Please remain stationary. A service bot will be here to assist you momentarily.
Stewards!
Hunt manages to weave his way between that back marker and the stationary Penske. He's catching